Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Andy, a professional Chinese CNC machine vendor with over 10 years experiences. I specialize in offering various CNC Router, laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, plasma cutting machine, digital knife cutting machine, laser marking machine, and so on. I always have a dream that can make over 30 years business with every one customer. Some friends will feel confusing about that, what it means. Well, if somebody purchase our machine, no matter he is use it or resell it, they will do business through the machines for not only 1 or 2 days, of course not 1 or 2 months, mainly will do many years or one life. That will have high requirement about the machine's working function, stability, and perfect the after service even some years later. That is what we need do. This dream guild me to think about and do some important things for long-term cooperation, not only for one-time business, such as price, machine accessory, machine testing, packing, shipping, and after-service system, and so on. Especially for recent years, the fiber laser cutter down much more, we also follow the trend of price reduction for accessories to adjust it, but we will never offer the garbage machine for customer. We trust in the word, has not the best machine, only have the most suitable machines. No matter what business do you running on, we will offer the suitable styles of machine according to your exact need, such as the machine models, exact accessory, and your investment plan. So everybody, if you're also running on the Relate CNC Machines business, welcome to contact me. Let's make a friends firstly. I will offer our catalog for review. And if you happen to need our machines, please don't hesitate to contact me. Let's make a deep communication. We will offer the best schemes for you. Okay, waiting for you.